Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Keto Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see the list of backlinks pointed to your website. So if you want to know the backlinks that is linked to your website, then you can easily do that by using the Google Search Console, or you can use some external tools like Ahrefs. So let me just show you the free methods here. So to check the backlink of your website, all you have to do is go to your Google Search Console, and here you will see an option links. Just click on that, and here you can see all the external links and internal links that is pointed to your website. So here you can see all the external links, and here you can see top linking sites. So let me click on that, and here you can see the linking sites and the pages. So if you click on that, it will see all the backlinks coming from that website. So as you can see, this is my main website youtubeblogging.com, and I have linked techylib.in website with 17 link pages and total 24 external links. So I have linked to total 17 pages of my website, and there is total 24 links pointed from keyblogging.com to techylib.in. So this is how you can see the backlinks here. So you can see Pinterest, and there is a website, and if you scroll down here, let's click on that, and here you can see the target page here. So I got a backlink from this website like this. Or if you want to know the backlinks of your website, then you can use a free tool called Ahrefs Webmaster Tool. So let me search for Ahrefs Webmaster Tool. So this is a free tool offered by Ahrefs. So let's click on that, and here you need to enter your domain and create a free account. So you can find the demo video here, how you can create an account in Ahrefs and how you can verify your website. So all you have to do is verify your website using the Google Search Console, and after that you will see the list of backlinks pointed to your website. So here is my dashboard. You can see techylib.in is verified using the Google Search Console. After that, all you have to do is click on the website. Here you will see all the backlinks, your domain rating, your keywords. So here let me click on the backlink. So here click on the backlink, and here you can see list of backlinks pointed to your website. So here you can filter it out with do follow. Let's click on search result, and it will filter it out with do follow backlinks. And you can also set it as backlink type like image backlink, in content backlink, redirect backlink, or you can also filter it with DR, or you can filter it with domain traffic, or you can filter it with word. So if you want to know the backlinks pointed to a particular page, then you can also do that. So you can just enter the word phrase and let hit filter. So it will filter it out and show you the backlinks pointed to that page. So this is how you can check backlinks, or you can search for different free backlink checker websites. So if you search for backlink checker, you will see a list of website. So here you can see there is a free backlink checker. So let's test that. So let me quickly copy my website URL and let me paste it here. And here is my backlink. So you can see list of backlinks, and it is showing few backlinks, and it's taking me to SEMrush. You can also create a free SEMrush account and view your backlinks as well. But all these free tools doesn't work, so it will show you a limited number of backlinks. But if you use Google Search Console, or if you use Ahrefs Webmaster Tool, then you can see all the backlinks pointed to your website. So this is how you can check the backlinks pointed to your website. And if you still have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.